If you're over 60 and your legs feel weak, shaky, or unreliable, if getting out of a chair feels harder than it used to, if stairs, balance, or long walks now feel risky, this video may change the way you think about leg strength forever. Because the truth is, weak legs after 60 are not caused by aging alone. They are caused by muscles and nerves that stop being activated properly. And here's the good news. Science now confirms that the fastest way to rebuild leg strength, balance, and confidence is not walking. It's targeted, seated strength movements that wake up the exact muscles responsible for standing, balance, and fall prevention. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple chair exercises that research shows can rebuild leg strength, improve balance and walking stability, make standing up easier, reduce fall risk, and help you feel confident again without pain or equipment. These exercises are used by physical therapists, geriatric specialists, and fall prevention programs worldwide. Before we begin, let me know in the comments, which country are you watching from, and how old are you today? This helps our senior community grow and reminds you that you're not alone. Stay until the end because exercise number 1 is considered the single most important movement for leg strength after 60. Let's begin. Exercise 3. Seated heel raises. Foundational strength for walking and balance. We're starting with exercise number 3 because it's simple, safe, and incredibly effective. Why heel strength matters after 60. Most people don't realize this, but weak calves are one of the biggest predictors of falls in older adults. Your calf muscles control ankle stability, help push you forward while walking, prevent your body from tipping forward, absorb impact every time your foot hits the ground. As we age, these muscles weaken quickly because we sit more, we take shorter steps, we stop pushing through the toes. Research published in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy shows that reduced ankle strength directly increases fall risk, even in seniors who walk daily. Walking alone does not fully activate the calves. That's why seated heel raises are so powerful. How to do seated heel raises. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Place both feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. Keep your knees bent at 90 degrees. Hold the sides of the chair lightly for balance. Slowly lift your heels off the floor as high as possible. Keep the balls of your feet on the ground. Hold the top position for 2 to 3 seconds. Slowly lower your heels back down. Move slow and controlled, no bouncing. How long to do it? Start with 10 to 12 repetitions. Rest for 30 seconds. Do 2 to 3 rounds. As you get stronger, increase the hold to 5 seconds. Add more repetitions. Studies show that slow, controlled muscle contractions increase muscle fiber recruitment, blood flow, neuromuscular connection. That means your brain and muscles start communicating again. This improves walking confidence, push-off strength, balance recovery if you stumble. This exercise alone can dramatically improve ankle stability, which is essential for safe movement. Exercise 2. Seated march hold. Rebuilds hip strength and balance control. This exercise targets one of the most neglected muscles after 60, the hip flexors. Why hip strength is critical after 60. Your hips control balance, step height, stability when standing on one leg, getting into and out of a car, climbing stairs. Research shows that hip weakness is strongly associated with falls, even more than knee weakness. Walking does not train single leg control. That's why seated march holds are so powerful. How to do seated march hold. Sit upright in your chair. Feet flat, core gently engaged. Slowly lift one knee up toward your chest. Stop when your thigh is parallel to the floor, or lower if needed. Hold that position for 3 to 5 seconds. Slowly lower the foot back down. Switch sides. Move slowly and with control. How long to do it? Start with 6 to 8 reps per leg. Hold each lift for 3 to 5 seconds. Do 2 rounds. As you progress, increase hold time to 8 to 10 seconds. Add more repetitions. This movement trains hip flexors, activates deep core stabilizers, improves nerve signaling between brain and legs. A study in clinical interventions in aging found that isometric holds significantly improve balance and walking stability in seniors. Holding the leg still teaches your body control, stability, strength under load. This directly transfers to stepping off curbs, avoiding trips, standing on one leg safely. Safety tips. Keep your chest tall. Stop if you feel sharp pain. Hold the chair lightly if needed. Breathe slowly. Exercise 1. Sit to stand. The #1 exercise for leg strength after 60. This is the most important exercise in this entire video. If you do only one movement for your legs after 60, this should be it. This movement trains quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, core, balance systems. It directly mimics getting out of a chair, standing from a toilet, rising from bed, regaining balance after a stumble. Research from the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity shows that sit-to-stand ability is one of the strongest predictors of independence in older adults. If you lose this ability, daily life becomes difficult. If you strengthen it, everything improves. How to do sit-to-stand. Sit near the edge of a chair. Feet shoulder-width apart. Feet slightly behind knees. Lean forward slightly from the hips. Press through your heels. Stand up slowly. Fully straighten your hips. Slowly sit back down with control. Use armrests if needed at first. How long to do it? Start with 5 to 8 repetitions. Rest 60 seconds. Do 2 to 3 sets. As strength improves, increase reps to 10 to 12. Remove hand support. Slow down the lowering phase. Sit to stand. Builds functional strength, improves bone density, enhances balance reflexes, trains multiple muscle groups at once. Studies show that seniors who regularly practice sit-to-stand walk faster, fall less, maintain independence longer. This is why physical therapists consider it non-negotiable. Common mistakes. Dropping into the chair, knees collapsing inward, standing too fast, holding breath. Slow, controlled movement is key. If your legs feel weak after 60, it does not mean your body is failing. It means the right muscles haven't been activated yet. These 3 chair exercises: wake up dormant muscles, rebuild strength safely, improve balance, and restore confidence. Do them 3 to 5 days per week. Consistency matters more than intensity. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for senior-safe exercises, comment your age and country. Your legs are stronger than you think. You just needed the right movements.